Hey y'all, I'm Vanessa. Welcome. Today we are doing a tutorial with the Revolution Strawberry Sprinkles donut palette. I don't really know what this is called. It looks like a little donut. It says I love Revolution Strawberry Sprinkles. I love the packaging. The inside looks like this. It is super pretty. Like, I love it. And you see the eye look right now. And we're not going to talk about my outfit. I literally have on a UK t-shirt. I'm from Kentucky, so I love UK basketball, and some leggings and tennis shoes. But my face is like super glam. I don't know how that happened, but this is what we're doing. So, I'm doing a giveaway. Do not forget to enter. That is in the Morphe 35G video. Yes. And yeah, I'm going to hush. We're going to get into the tutorial. Alright, here are swatches of the metallic shades. This one's beautiful. They're all beautiful, but these two are so similar and so close. I think they could have got rid of one of them and put something else in there, because swatch, they look pretty close. So we are going to get to putting these on our eyes, and clearly this is going to be a quick easy look because we only have 5 shades. So we're going to go in with these mattes here, and this is scented, but it's not like overpowering or horrible. Like, I really like this. I love this packaging. So we're going to start out with the first shade and put it in our upper crease area. Just blending it all over. You guys know the drill. I'm going to slowly build this shade up, but it's very nice. Like, I don't have a problem with this shade at all. So I'm going to still go in with the first shade, but I'm going to take a smaller, more dense brush and then put that in our actual crease just for a little more pigment. This darker shade, like, that's the whole thing. Like, instead of this, I wish they would have put a matte in between these two. But I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush into the crease so it's not so dark and pigmented. Alright, and then once I've got it down, I'm gonna go in with my M433, because this is going to put a lot more pigment down. I'm going to put it on our outer edge here and then drag it up into our crease. And you can see what it looks like here as opposed to here. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see that on camera as well as in person, but it's far more pigmented here than it is here, and it's because of our brush. A natural hair, more dense brush versus a fluffy brush, it makes a huge difference. And I do like that this shade isn't as dark as I thought it would be. It's actually pretty bright, and I like that. So I'm going to grab a little bit of this shade and then the middle shade. And these feel really nice. Like, they're very pretty. Right, then go in with our middle shade here. And this middle shade is absolutely stunning. Like, I love this light shade. And then I'm going to put it over top of the brighter shade there and just kind of mix them in. And there, you guys, I'm so sorry. My friggin' voice is going in and out. I'm sick, so it is what it is. So there is our top lid. And I'm going to grab a pencil brush and actually mix these two shimmer shades here. And we're going to put that on the lower lash line, just to give us a bit more of a pop. And then we're going to go in with the darker shade here. Kind of put it right over top, but keeping it closer to the lash line. And then cleaning off my brush and going in with the other shade, the first transition. Same shade, light shade that we put all over the lid, of course. And there you have it. I'm going to go ahead, finish up the rest of my face and this eye, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, this is our finished look. I actually did my hair. I washed it yesterday for like the first time in, you know, like 10 days, but we're not going to talk about that. Dry shampoo is our friend. But yeah, this is it. I really like the look. I really like this palette. I'm definitely going to get some other colors of it. And this one was the Strawberry Sprinkles. I really, really, really love it. Everything blended out beautifully, like really, really well. And the metallics are gorgeous. Like this Revolution palette is really, really great quality. So I definitely recommend it. If you guys have got any of these, let me know because I'm interested in the other colors. But yeah, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next one. And don't forget to enter the giveaway. Bye guys.